but something in my head. Maybe I just need to stay in bed. I don't know if my eyes need chicken, if I should think things over for a second. I don't know if it's 'cause I've lost you, my girl, but I'm sure it must be the end of the world.
Hey you, what's up? That's good. I'm really tired today, just so you know, because you know how I said I only have 11 hours? Well, I've gone up to 30 hours this week, so that's a really big jump, and because they just keep ringing me, they're like, come, and so tomorrow I was meant to do 2 to 6, now I'm doing 8 to 6, so that's a really long day. That's like my longest day so far. I know you've done them kind of days, but like I haven't before, and so it's like, oh my god, I'm gonna die. So lol, my god, mints. I've been so into mints lately. Like I just like buy them and then just light a mung on them. So that's pretty good. I understand your feeling for mints, because I do love them too. Yeah, we do have the jelly bean things. I didn't buy any yet, because I keep going through the registers that don't have them sitting there, so that's irritating, and then I forget. So, whoops. I think I'm gonna buy just a pin. A pin. I wish I had a pink one, but they don't. We don't have pink ones. Do you have pink ones? Oh, good. Where are you up to in paper towns is what I want to know. I kept going to ask and then I kept forgetting. But where are you up to in that? Tell me. Also, I think we should order that shit in, man. Because actually, I don't know if it'll be there. I don't know if it'll come in. Or maybe we can just buy it in Sydney. Surely it'll be there. I mean, so you can buy it. So now I'm just fiddling with the French. See, here's me looking at me. The challenge, I went to do it, and it turns out we don't actually have any alfoil, and at the moment it's well, it's not half past, it's 23 past 23 o'clock, so I can't actually go out and get any alfoil, because yeah, we don't have any, so please don't eat me. I just went and checked in your video, you did not mention anywhere about saying it this week, so please don't punish me, because I mean, now I have to go out and buy a whole thing of alfoil just to make a dog, and that's really a waste of alfoil, unless it turns out cute, which it's not going to, because I'm not very creative. But yeah, please don't eat me, because I'll be very sad. I bought cotton balls today though, so I can take my nail polish off properly when I take it off. I haven't even put any on again yet. Don't you hate work? Like, when you work, like, do your fingernails get really grotty? Like, I have to clean mine like a million times a day, because they just get so dirty. I don't understand why. It's just like gross. So that, I really need to go to bed. I've had like the crappiest sleep for the past 3 nights. Like, and now I have to get up and actually be at work at 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. I don't know why I said yes. I was just like, yeah, another paid 5 hours. I'll do that. Am I an idiot? Because Holly can't too. She's like, oh, can you do 8 to 6 instead of 2 to 6? I'm like, yeah. And then I was like, wait, 8? She's like, yeah. I'm like, okay. And my customer's like, hey, wow, that's a long day. I'm like, I know, right? Because it so is. Oh my god. I'm dying. I have a sore shoulder. Probably because I've actually been doing some work and trying to like stand up again. Like, I don't know if you ever, I don't know if I complained about a sore shoulder when I started, or like, if you ever got a sore shoulder. But fuck, I have a sore shoulder. Right, well, I think I'm gonna go now, and not edit this, sorry. Not edit this, just upload it, and please don't hate me about the challenge, because, y'all never said had to be done this week anywhere. And you know, I thought we would have alfoil. It's pretty regular to have some alfoil in the house, but turns out we don't. So cup on head. I'm sorry, don't hate me. Okay, go now.